Using the timer as well as the timesheets in Jobber is actually fantastic. It really helps you to organize your time during your day as well as all of your staff or employees' time. So let's check out that feature. So what we're going to do is jump into our app on our mobile device. This is really convenient because wherever you go, you can actually literally have this on you and you can do it in real time. So right at the bottom, you have a few items and we're going to go to the timesheet right in the middle over here. And right over here, you can actually start your timer so you can track the time that you are working. So what we'd like to do is we want to use the general time tracker, and this you'll start when you start your work shift. So right here at the top, I'm going to click on the clock in option, and right over here you'll see that now I am currently clocked in. Now in the event where you need to clock out, you are going to just click on the stop timer and it'll give you the option over here to edit. Now once you click on edit, you'll be able to change the duration over here. You can change this manually. You can also change the start time and end time, and then you can also add notes over here. Right, then you can delete it if you need to, and when you're happy with all of this, you can just say save time entry and you can manage everything right in over here. Now once you have a few time slots clocked, you'll actually be able to view it all on your calendar. You can see this is what my calendar looks like, and you can see how many hours you've put in per day, per week, and per month.